Hi everyone and welcome to Blue Spoon Veggie. In this video I have another 30-minute meal to share with you, aubergine and lentil coconut peanut curry. My 30-minute recipes are designed to make home-cooked dinners low effort, both in the kitchen and the supermarket, using plenty of ingredients from the store cupboard, plus a little chopping, grating and stirring. It would really help my little channel if you could give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe. Thanks if you're already a subscriber. Now let's get cooking. But first, let's have a look at the ingredients we'll need. Full details are in the description below. I spent a few minutes raiding my store cupboard for an onion, 2 garlic cloves, pre-cooked lentils which I've rinsed, tamarind paste and some runny honey, peanut butter, curry paste, coconut cream and salt and pepper. Time for a couple of fresh ingredients, an aubergine and half a lemon. I'm going to start with some gentle chopping. First the onion, then grate both garlic cloves into that. Pour a tablespoon of sunflower or vegetable oil into a large pan and start to heat that up while you continue chopping. Aubergines are one of my favourite vegetables to chop, like cutting through sponge. You want nice small cubes. These will cook quickly and then have a lovely creamy texture in the finished curry. The oil should have warmed up by now, so let's add the onion and garlic to that. And now the aubergine cubes. Give that all a good stir, then leave to cook for around 8 minutes until everything is softened and lightly coloured. If you want to serve rice with the curry, then pop on the kettle now and put that on to cook. Then it's time to add the beautiful cooked lentils. I'm using a variety of brown lentil. Aiming to be a good veggie, I planned to include lots of lentil recipes when I started this channel, but so far I've only made one, my warmly spiced lentil soup. It's low fat and delicious, so take a look at that video if you like, it's linked below. Now in goes the coconut cream and the tamarind paste and honey. Scoop in the peanut butter. This is crunchy, but you could also use smooth if you prefer. Next, the curry paste. You can use whatever your favourite is. Finally, juice in the half lemon. And give everything a good stir. I like to add some salt at this stage to let it melt into the other flavours. Leave the curry to simmer for 5 minutes now. Because the main ingredients are already cooked, this just allows the flavours to fuse together into a silky curry. Time now for a little lentil chat. Nutritious, versatile, easy to cook, cheap, and also supremely tactile. What's not to love about lentils? From the tiny decadent spheres of the beluga lentil to the hearty, nutty brown lentil, earthy red lentils, mild green lentils, peppery green speckled lentils, both a generic brand and in the form of puy lentils. Puy lentils must be grown in the Le Puy-en-Velay region of France. Excuse my ropey pronunciation there. For this speedy curry, I'm using pre-cooked brown Pardina lentils, one of many handy lentil products to keep in the store cupboard. Now back to the pan to finish up dinner. You could add some fresh coriander if you like, stir that in, and the curry is ready. I'm serving it with some basmati rice and a mini naan. I hope you give this quick and easy recipe a try and enjoy a tasty meal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more recipes from Blue Spoon Veggie, and I hope to see you again very soon.